Welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial, and I'm actually going to be using a lot of products from their new Dollhouse collection. There are so many cute items, and this is the look that I came up with today. I'm also using other products that I got at Dollar Tree recently. So I hope you guys are excited. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell so you don't miss out on all my videos. And let's get into it, and I'm going to show you guys all about the products and how I got this look. Alright guys, let's get into doing this makeup look. And yes, I am wearing a shirt, just so you guys know. I'm wearing a tube top. I feel like when I film and you have a tube top on, it looks like you're naked, but I have a shirt on. That out of the way. So today I'm going to be playing with some Dollar Tree products that I've been wanting to test out with you guys. I have their new Dollhouse collection. Packaging is seriously so cute. I actually already did a TikTok with these products, so I have like an idea already of how they work, but I figured I would show you guys like the ones that I really liked. Of course, we'll be playing with some other Dollar Tree products as well as we go along, because I literally have an entire basket. I feel like they've been slacking on a bit is eyeshadow palettes, because I feel like I have not seen any new eyeshadow palettes in quite some time from them, so I'm kind of a little bit upset about that. I love like the 6-pan palettes from LA Colors. As you guys know, I use those all the time here on my channel. I'm gonna lay down an eyeshadow base. I do have an eyeshadow pencil from this Dollhouse collection that I can show you guys. It's actually like one of those multi-use pencils. The Fat Chubby Stick. This is in Play Kitchen. It's like a champagne color, so we can definitely play around with that. And filmed a makeup tutorial in what feels like forever. Way too long. I was kind of talking about this in the last video I filmed. It was a Ipsy video, or an Ipsy unboxing. I was saying that I've just been like so busy this summer, and honestly I've just been like kind of running around, having more fun this summer. I've kind of definitely been neglecting my YouTube channel and my tutorials, which I'm gonna get back into, especially when the weather gets colder. I just told myself I would take like a little bit of a break in the summer and just kind of like enjoy myself, because summer is so short, and then we're gonna be stuck indoors. Hi guys, we're gonna be stuck indoors for so long when it gets cold here in New York, so you have to enjoy the warm weather and the summer here while you can. And with this LA Colors quad, this is in Pink Love, and this is kind of like a cool tone brown. I'm just gonna put this into my crease. I really have no idea what look I'm going for today, but we're just gonna wing it. Gizzy is taking over the video. It's definitely like a gray toned, smokier kind of color. I feel like I'm going smoky all of a sudden. I wasn't even expecting this, but we'll, like I said, we'll make it work. And yeah, just let me know if there's anything specific that you guys want to see on my channel. I feel like you guys do still like these types of videos, like the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, which I have to get back into doing more budget beauty buys. Like the long form ones, I've been doing more like more of the short form content, doing more TikTok and YouTube shorts and reels. But it's so funny because when I upload a YouTube short, I can get like 10k views, which honestly for me, getting 10k views is a lot. I rarely will get 10k views here on like a regular long video. It would have to be up for like 3 years and be like a really popular video. So it is super hard to grow on YouTube. That's always been like a struggle. But I feel like shorts is kind of helping a little bit, but I have to like try and post one every single day. So if you see more of that from me, just know I'm out here trying to get more going on my channel, get more views, get more subscribers. I have this quad that I got from Dollar Tree from Wet n Wild. It's the Color Icon shadow. I don't even remember when I got this. I feel like I got this a while ago. But I'm gonna dip into this matte brown shade. Yeah, we're going a little dramatic today. I've definitely been enjoying doing a little bit more like of a dramatic kind of smoky brown look. I feel like that's the look I've been liking recently. And I am wearing my green colored contacts today. I love this color. I have to get another color. Like I have to get my gray colors again. I personally love wearing colored contacts. I think it is so much fun. I know some people like don't like them. I feel like when I wear my green eyes, I feel like it also makes me appreciate my brown eyes more. So I like being able to switch back and forth between the two. Like if I want to be, you know, have that like deeper, darker look to myself, then, you know, I'll do the brown eyes. But if I want to have something a little more fun, then I like using my green eyes. I always think they're real, like even in person, People are like, wow, your eyes are so pretty. And like, you kind of feel bad being like, oh, thanks. Honestly, a lot of times I'll tell people like, thanks. Like, they're not even my real eye color. I actually have brown eyes, and people just like start cracking up and think it's funny. So yeah. Okay, so this is actually blending out really nicely. Okay, so my camera overheated, so I took a little break. But in that meantime, I went ahead and I just put that brown color underneath my eyes and just made it like look a little bit smoky. So now let's work on the eyelids. So I have this fat chubby stick, the one I was telling you guys, and it's just like really pretty, let me show you guys, like champagne color. I'm hoping this is gonna look good with the eye look we have right now. It's like subtle, it's not too much. I like the way this color looks with that like cool tone shade we have going on in the outer V. Okay, nice, I like that a lot. I do feel like I want to put a little bit more white on the inner corner, so I'm going to use this LA Colors Conceal Correct. I don't know why they call this a concealer. It's actually a highlighter, like full on like white sparkly moment. Ioni chubby pencil. This was in French White Lily, and I love white pencils. I like use them every single day on my inner corner, so this is a staple in my makeup routine. I want to share with you guys, I got the volumizing mascara from the Dollhouse line from Ioni. Honestly, just skip this. It is so bad. I tried it out in my TikTok and barely any product came out. I was so disappointed. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but just skip this. Like, save your $1.25. That's why I'm here, to be your guinea pig. The packaging is so cool, and then the brush is honestly just like too big. It's kind of skinny at the top and fat at the bottom. I don't like the brush shape, and it does absolutely nothing for your lashes. I also picked up from the Dollhouse collection the Ioni felt tip eyeliner pen in black, and again, this is something that I'm like not in love with. I personally like brush tips better. I feel like they flow so much nicer. The felt tip is so much more harder to work with to get like that crisp line. Not bad. Again, not my favorite, but I like the way it looks better today and how it worked today better than the other day. Like a beginner makeup kit, I definitely would say the Wet n Wild one with the felt tip is much better, but if you just are starting out and you want something that's cheap and you can do a wing with and kind of work with it a bit, then I do think this is a good option. I'm gonna put mascara on. Now I want to move on to the face because I feel like I have a lot of face products. There is another product I want to show you guys that is one of my favorites from the line. It's the Pink Sparkle Liner. You guys have probably seen they have this in gold. They've had other colors, but never this pink. It is so pretty. These remind me so much of the Urban Decay liners, except they are $1.25 and the Urban Decay ones are like $25. It's the same thing. The same thing. So this is in the shade Cowgirl, and what I like to do with this is I actually like put this over the black liner or put it right on top for like a little bit of pop. This would be so fun if you're like going to a festival or something. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Or you can actually wear this all over. Can you guys see that? You can wear this all over your eyes as like a sparkle moment. Like, so I'm just gonna add a little pop. Just a little pop at the edge of the wing is super fun. And I'm just going right on top of that black liner, like right on top of it. To face now, and I just pinned my hair back. I went ahead and I put on some of the Essentially Ageless Blur Primer. I think I used this last time. It's really good. It's definitely a little more like a little bit more thicker. I feel like it makes my skin look like a nice base. And then I'm going to go in with the Clean Beauty Glow Foundation in Nude. If you guys remember, I loved this foundation last time. And I hope this matches me because I'm a little tan, but we can always kind of like play around with it. So last time I used this foundation, I absolutely loved it. I'm just going to put some on a brush. Match. I had this like little blackhead this morning that I was trying to pick. And like I couldn't get it, so I was like, you know what, we're just gonna leave it. I feel like anytime I try and pick a blackhead, it turns into a whitehead. Guys, again, I'm not nude. But But this foundation is so nice. I cannot believe how pretty the coverage is on this foundation. Tanning my face, like intentionally tanning my face. So if I'm like out in the sun, I will wear sunscreen, obviously on my face and obviously all over my body, but I do not let my face like really tan. Like I was at the beach last week and I let it tan a little, but I always have SPF 50 on my face, and then I'm usually wearing a hat and sunglasses, so that's why I just like punch myself in the neck. That is why my face is lighter than the rest of my body, in case you guys were wondering. So I'm gonna have to like bronze this up or add like a little bit of a deeper color, because you can see that my face is a lot lighter. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of this Maybelline skin tint because it's deeper. I've been wearing this a lot recently, this foundation. It's so pretty. This is a deeper color. I specifically bought this for when I was tan, or for when I was gonna like self tan. I just have been also loving mixing foundations recently. I don't know if you guys like doing that too, but I just love testing out different combos and seeing like what works best. From the collection, this is the mattifying powder, and it is this cute little translucent heart powder. Let me show you guys how adorable this is. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just like a sucker for these cute little packaging. They're adorable. So we have this translucent powder, and I do also have these little puffs that I got from Dollar Tree that are really nice for setting underneath the eyes. Beauty puff, and there's actually a little triangle shape, so I'm just gonna pick some up, and I'm gonna use this to like set underneath my eyes. You can also obviously use this like all over your face. You never know until you actually see like the flashback if you're taking a picture with flash. But this does like mattify everything. Like as I'm putting it on the shiny part of my face, you can see like it does take away the shine, which is so nice. Another launch from the collection is the mechanical brow pencil. This is the shade medium brown. I wish I would have found or bought dark brown, but I didn't see it when I was there because this shade is almost a little bit too warm for my brows. But I do love this pencil, and I definitely recommend it because I feel like it works really well. Let me show you guys. So it's this like, so it's kind of like a bigger crayon. It's not like as small as I prefer. And you'll see it's definitely a little too warm for me, but we're gonna go with it, so. Okay, I don't love that color, so I feel like I want to use a different color, but I do think it is a really good pencil, and it has like a good amount of waxiness to it as well. Brows are done. Now I'm gonna move on to, oh, I have a blush. I actually have two blushes. I'm just gonna think of using both, but this is the blush cream stick from the Dollhouse collection. These are so cute. I'm so happy that they launched cream blushes. They have ones that looked more like the Rare Beauty, and then I don't know if I tried those yet with you guys, and then they came out with these little cream sticks that were in like the little Rare Beauty containers, but I also like these little stick ones too. And what I find is best, a little tip for you guys, is take a brush first before, instead of just like going and applying it like right onto your cheek from the little tube. So just pick some up like that, and you don't need a lot because it's quite pigmented, and just press it into your cheek, and you can actually dab it off on your wrist before, see, like that. And then I have probably enough left over for this side as well, honestly. That was like literally 2 dabs in here and wiping it off, and I still had enough for both. But look how pretty that color is. It's just like a beautiful pink that kind of just gives you a nice flush. This is a brush that I got from Dollar Tree, this little angled brush. Just gonna dip ones in there and then just add that right on top to lock in. For intense, I can always go in and kind of like add a little bit of powder to make it not look so crazy. Highlight, they didn't have a highlight in this collection. You could also use the pencil we used on the eyelids, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use one of these two guys. These are the LA Colors Cheeky Highlighter. These are so pretty. You can also use brush, but usually I'm being lazy with the sponge right now, so I'm just gonna put it on this brush and then tap it onto the top of my cheeks. Like that. It's like subtle but still really pretty at the same time. Okay, and then to contour, I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors contour sticks, and I absolutely love these. This one is in the shade Tan. I use these all the time. I use these for my nose contour. I actually use them the most for my nose contour. But today I'm going to use it on my face just to kind of snatch the jaw, the cheek. You guys, make it look nice and crisp. And I honestly feel like this might be like a nice like going out look, go out to dinner look, because it's a little bit more sultry. This contour stick makes me feel so tan. I absolutely love it, and the price is right. So, and for a powder bronzer, I do have this from LA Colors. It's like this little tiny bronzer. Use this LA Colors lip liner. It's not from Dollar Tree, but it's super affordable. Okay, for lips, I'm just gonna add a little lip balm, but I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors New Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy, which you guys know is a favorite. Such a pretty nude. Oh, I love it so much. And then, oh my god, it's so pretty. I need to look for it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Beauty Intuition lip gloss that I also got at Dollar Tree on top. Yes, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is like my kind of color. I love baby pinks. Oh my gosh, I love that, you guys. That with Velvet Teddy, this is a winning combo. I hope you guys can still find, oh, Velvet Teddy, I meant to say Oh Teddy. I hope you guys can still find Oh Teddy and this lip gloss are beautiful. I also want to show you guys there was lipsticks in this collection. I did try this out when I filmed my TikTok video, but I didn't want to wear it today because it's like a hot pink and that's just like not the look I'm going for, because I feel like I'm a little more like sultry glam. Last step would be our setting spray. This is the Finishing Glow Spray for face and body. Now I'm going to warn you guys, this one, it's called Dream House. It is glittery. Like, you are going to have gold glitter on your face. So be prepared for that, or if you don't want that, then I would say don't get this. But I had made a video about this also on TikTok, that this is really nice in your hair if you want to have gold sparkles in your hair. So just make sure you shake it because all the glitter kind of settles at the bottom. And I do also have this in gold from a previous collection, and then this is the rose gold version. But like I said, you will have sparkles on your face. More powder on my face with this Ioni mattifying powder, which I really like. And what's cool too is I'll show you guys, whoop, my necklace is twisted. You can also spray this here and rub it in. It looks really nice if you have a tan. And then I'm gonna show you guys. Not the best smell. The sparkles, like I said, are intense. So I'm just gonna fan that off. Oh yeah, you can see we'll have a little wind in the hair. Okay guys, so here is the completed makeup. I love how this came out. I feel like it's a little bit more like sultry glam. I feel like that's what we're going for here, and I kind of just went with it, you know? So I really loved all the products we used today. I cannot believe that I was able to achieve this look using all products from Dollar Tree. Like, I feel like I say this in every video, no joke, but I feel like this makeup looks like stuff you would get at like Sephora or something like that, which is so crazy. I am just so in love with the products that I can get at Dollar Tree, and the results you can achieve are amazing. Granted, they need to step up their game with mascara because I'm not like happy with their mascaras, but everything else I think is really good. I feel like I'm like ready to like go out to dinner right now. Like, I can get dressed up. Like, I feel so good about my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to try out any of these products. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel. Comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!